Number 7 on the worksheet. Okay. The state fair is a popular field trip destination.
Which one are we on?
7.
This year, the senior class at high school A and the senior class at high school B both planned their trips there. The senior class at high school A rented and filled 8 vans and 8 buses with 240 students. High school B rented and filled 4 vans and 1 bus with 54 students, a lot smaller high school.
That sounds more like us.
Well, no, that's their senior class. Every van had the same number of students in it as did the buses. So in other words, they put the same amount of kids in buses, the same amount in vans. Find the number of students that each van and bus could hold. So who wants to try to write that as an equation? This is kind of more common. Remember, we kind of ended with a hard one yesterday, Sam?
So it'd be like 8A.
I'm going to call it V for van.
Okay. And 8B equals 240.
What does V stand for exactly?
Buses.
What about the van?
How many students? Wait.
Right. How many students can a van hold? That's what we're looking for. Okay. What's the other equation? What's the other equation?
4B plus 1B. I don't know code rush. I know John will too.
Okay. What is the easiest?
Never missed a shot.
Okay, boys. What's the easiest way to solve this? Say again. By -2? Okay. If we multiply the bottom times -2, this will turn into a what? -8. And then our V's would go away, right? So that's a good plan. So she said bottom times -2. So I'm going to rewrite the bottom as -8V minus 2B equals -108. Be careful with your negatives. Make sure the 2 gets multiplied to both sides of the equation. Okay. I'm gonna add the top line to this third line that we just made. So the V's will go away. 8 minus 2B is 6B. And 240 minus 108 is 132.
66.
Okay, that's not right.
Subtracting.
132 divided by 2 is 66. What's 132 divided by 6?
66.
Well, we're adding the 2 lines together, but when you add a negative, that's like subtracting. We're adding the 2 lines together, but when you add a negative,
Oh
that's
yeah, 22. We were thinking 6.
132 divided by
22.
okay,
Oh,
22.
we were thinking.
So what does B equal 22 mean?
How many students could fit in a bus?
They put 22 students in a bus.
So.
Doesn't seem like that much for a bus. Anyway, what do we do now?
Well, you plug the.
Maybe
22.
right there, that looks like an easy spot. That's a 22, so you can subtract
So
22, and that's 32.
8.
So 4V equals 32, divided by 4. Oops, I wasn't supposed to be solving these.
Let's go, baby.
I'll just solve the first one.
No, fuck. Let me get it. Wait, is that right there? Got it. Straight in green.
Wait, how'd you get? Oh, I did was
Get what?
Get 60.
60. I don't see a 60.
No, 6B.
6B. I added this.
That thing is
and
scary.
this.
Oh, I had
Magic.
Okay, number 8.
Hey, Mr. Jordan.
Okay, I'm not going to solve this. I'm just going to see if you guys can set it up and then let it
How
go.
much would you pay for this calculator?
$1 million. Number 8, the senior class at high school A and high school B planned separate trips to New York City. The class at high school A rented and filled. Is this the same problem, basically?
Pretty much. Let's skip it.
Okay, same thing. I'm not going to even read that one. Okay, number 9. 8's the same thing as 7, just different numbers. Number 9, Brenda's school is selling tickets to a spring musical. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 3 senior. Did we do a senior citizens one?
Wait, are we still doing 8?
Yes.
Have we talked about senior citizens?
We did one of these kind of like yesterday too, didn't we? On the first day of ticket sales, there's different numbers. The school sold 3 senior citizen tickets and 9 child tickets for a total of $75. The school took in 67 on the second day by selling 8 senior citizens and 5 child tickets. Number 4, because it's the same, so just let you guys do it. What is the price of 1 senior citizen ticket and 1 child ticket? Okay, somebody help me set up number 9. Not Sam. Sam, you're done.
I'll see if I
How
can.
long has he been standing there?
Oh.
That's a great
Harder.
question.
You've been there for like 5 minutes?
That'd be funny. That'd be funny.
It's a good strat though, to stand there.
Right?
Hold off there.
Okay, Lydia, you want to try?
Wasn't.
Number 9?
Yep.
Okay, who wants to try number 9? Set it up.
You wrote 8 on the board.
I know, I'm not doing it, don't.
Well, it's the same thing
We're on
as
to
7,
9.
just with
We're
different
doing
numbers.
9. Not saying.
Why?
You did 7.
Yeah, but.
Okay, let me read it again. This time pay attention so you might know how to do it. It says, on the important part says, on the first day of tickets, the school sold 3 senior citizen tickets and 9 child tickets for a total of $75.
So,
On the second day, they made $67 off of 8 senior citizens and 5 children. Lydia.
So, like 3x would be senior citizens.
you give it,
Okay, yeah, X for senior citizens.
Oh, I put it.
can you put X?
Plus
Yeah.
the 9, like y equals the child one,
Okay,
and then that equals 75.
right. What does X stand for?
Oh.
Senior citizen.
Number of senior citizens?
No.
No, that's the number of senior citizens. X stands for
How much money?
How
does
much
senior
a
citizen ticket cost?
senior citizen ticket cost, right? That's right. So 3 senior citizens times how much they paid per ticket, that tells you how much money they spent, right? How much money they made. 9 kids times the cost of a kid ticket, that tells you how much money came from the kids.
Mhm.
And then Lydia, what would the second equation be?
8x plus 5y equals 67.
Well, so
67.
parents cost more than we.
Yeah, we did one of these yesterday. You guys probably forgot, but it's just different numbers. Yesterday, the kids' tickets cost more than senior
Yeah.
citizens. So a lot of times you get a senior citizen discount on certain things, but
So if you're
a
old,
lot of times kids get a discount too.
so if you're old, you don't have to pay as much money.
Yes.
I guess so.
I wouldn't recommend it though. You also get.
You don't recommend
I guess,
getting
a
old?
bunch of health problems.
You don't recommend
Yeah,
that.
I
thanks.
can't say as I
So
recommend
once you get older, just.
it. This one's a little bit messier though. How can we solve
24,
that? 3 and 8 both go into 24.
which is 8 and 3.
So I'll multiply the top line times 8.
Bottom line times
Bottom line times -3. Why am I doing -3?
Because
So
you can add it, it'll cancel out.
Because
Cancelization.
negatives cancel out when you add them together. Or opposites cancel out when you add them together. So the top line becomes 24. Oh, I'm gonna,
75 times.
actually I'm gonna let you guys do that. I'm gonna stop there.
No. Why don't you do this?
I'm going to pause for a couple minutes.
Oh,
and
thank you. So
let
I can
you
set
guys
it up.
work on
Can
it.
I try?
You might not get it done in time, but
Can I
that's
try
fine. You can
that?
come back and do it later.
9,
Sure.
8, 22.
kinda does. We're talking about money, but it'll probably be like $9. It could be like $7.50, but it's more likely to be $8. I don't, actually I have the answers here. No,
Don't.
no decimals, no fractions.
I like how you always put them right here, like your answer book, and I just your chest.
Help with it.
No, your chest is too high.
Wait, actually might be because I just did it.
I don't have good enough eyes to do that.
Gracie,
That's
stop
what
cheating.
the that's what
Stop
the
cheating, Gracie. No, what'd you get on number
classes
9?
are for.
I did it. I get 700.
There's a problem.
What?
You got a decimal?
Yeah.
I didn't get that.
Quiet.
So that means you made a mistake. Let me check it yourself.
Okay. But I don't know where to look. Sorry.
Start at the beginning.
Thanks. Thanks.
He's a real trooper.
Not only did you write on my board, you left my mark.
Oh my gosh, I wasn't me.
Really? Just jump down like that, so.
Yes.
I think it was Emily because after we put it back. And the last one that wrote
I
on the
wrote
board
with-
was Emily, and
No, I wrote with
prove with that
red.
was the last
Oh,
one was
Lord.
hers because she wrote in red. And when I put the marker down, I put my phone up and I was talking to Lydia, so boom.
How would I touch the black? If I was using my
Because
red.
you were home walking by and everything, and then just knocked it over.
But if I felt like doing that, I would knock down all three of them.
No, you just.
Oh Lord.
You were
I
gonna
bet-
sabotage me. But I was just black.
That doesn't make any sense.
Exactly.
Yes, it does though.
Oh my god.
I bent the pink.
I've been three.
Okay, I fixed it. Boom.
Actually, go ahead and
Y equals 7 and X equals 4.
do the whole back page, except for number 11. We're gonna have to talk about that one.
Oh my goodness.
So
Fabulous.
do 10.
So go ahead and do all the rest of them except for number